So guys, in this video I am going to show how to use Google Form for assignment as well as quiz. So first you need to log into an Gmail account, 9 dots, go to the button and click Forms. Or you can directly go to Google Forms by entering this address forms in any way you can go to the Google Forms. So this is the first page of the Google Forms. You find many options. First one is the blank, others are the templates, the varieties of templates which you can use according to need. So to browse more templates, you just click it and you will have templates. I start with a blank forms. So this is the format of the first form. So the first is the untitled form. You give an appropriate name. I am giving the name as assignment 1. Just after I finish typing, the Googles will save automatically in your drive. Before that, you can change the theme. You can select any one of the theme here. So I just select this one. So you can preview also. Then you can go to setting and do some setting also. So now start with the first questions. The first question, there's so many types of questions you can see. So if I have to write something, then there are multiple questions at both drop down, etc. Explore one by one. So first you type first question number 1. This is the first question. You can give so many options. You can give 3 or 4 options. This is a multiple choice type questions. So this is the first question, and you can set the marks of this question by clicking this answer key. So I am giving 2 marks. So you can add another question by clicking this plus sign symbol. In second question, you can choose different types of questions. So I add one picture. You can upload the picture from local machine, camera, or search from the Google. So I am loading from local machine. Just browse it. Select one of the pictures. I am selecting this picture. Picture is uploaded. You can resize it according to your requirement. Type 1 questions. Identify the following hardware devices. You can choose different types of questions. So you can select drop down type questions. So give some options. So those are the 4 options of these questions. You can assign the marks. Also, I'm giving 2 marks. You can add more questions. Number 3. I can give, this is checkbox type question. So you can assign answer marks of this question. I'm giving three marks. You can add one more short answer or long answer type question also. So question number 4, define. I'm selecting as a short answer type questions. So you have to write some definitions of this question in this case. So I'm giving as it is 3 marks. So I'm prepare 4 questions. Now you can see the preview of this assignment by just clicking this button. So this is the actual format of this form, which the trainees can see and answer. Just click this send button. You'll find 3 options. First one is by sending through the email, and the second is by giving the link directly to any social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, etc. And the third one is you can embed this form or in an HTML file and send the file directly to the trainees concerned. So to send by email, just give the email address. You type the email. So after that, just send it. Now, what the student see is you will find one mail requesting you to fill the form. So I just log out and log into a student's email. So you'll find one mail is coming, assignment 1. So just open it. So you'll see this and click fill out form. So I'm the student, so I'm giving my email address. So I can just email address, starting answering the assignment or quiz. So first question is which type of language is accepted by computer system? That is English language. So the fourth question, you have to write something. So I'll give some definitions of software. Then after that, press the submit button. In the next video, you will see how the teacher grade marks to the student, how to release the marks to the student, and how the students see the marks. So stay tuned. Thank you. If you like my channel, subscribe it for more videos.